Alright, I want to make this a quick video. Long story short, the OwlCam has changed their firmware update on the actual device, the OwlCam. Not the app update, it's a firmware update on the device. And they changed it so that when you say okay Presto, it's only 3 seconds prior to you saying those words you're going to capture. The rest is like, it's like 3 seconds before and the rest is like 26 seconds or something like that. So you're not capturing, if something happens, someone cuts you off, you get in an accident, you say okay Presto, you're only capturing 3 seconds prior to you saying that. The rest is after the math, right? And the way it was explained to me, because I called about it before and they didn't have a good explanation. I guess now probably more people are calling, they have a better explanation. And the way they explained it to me was that this is a feature that they want just to capture the moment, not really to capture incident. They say if you want to capture incident, you go to the history, which you always can do. But I feel like it should be the opposite. If you want to capture a moment, you can always go in history for that, you know, because there's always recording, it's always going to be in the history. But that feature, OK Presto, is what that feature is. It saves approximately 27 seconds. Originally, it's a 20-second clip, but then you can extend it, so it's 27. I don't know why that was a random number. It could have been 30, but it's exactly 27 seconds of a clip if you extend it. And it saves that, and it pushes it over right to your phone right away. You have that save in the history instead of going to the history yourself and scrolling to find the timeline. It just automatically sends you that 27-second clip. So instead of using that OK Presto to save whether someone cut you off or accident, showing exactly 15 seconds before it happened and 15 seconds after, now they push it to 3 seconds before, 26 seconds after, around there. And it's only so to mainly capture something that happens, like if someone crosses the front, he starts dancing or whatever. Any of those small clips that they have on the OwlCam channel, and you know, where they show funny moments or whatever. This is what they want this feature to be. I feel like it's backwards. It should be for any incident that you want to capture that already happened, and you want to capture that, so you say okay Presto. That should be the main function for OK Presto. And if anything, it should be 26 seconds before and 3 seconds after. Because once you make a decision to say OK Presto, that means it already happened. You want to capture what happened. Especially if you have a delayed reaction, like, oh yeah, I forgot to say OK Presto. You can still capture it if you have enough seconds before. But the way they have it now, I feel like it's backwards, and I'm confident they're gonna change it back. I like OwlCam; it's a good camera. It's you know, there's a lot of good things about it. The little things I could complain about, but overall, it's enough to stay with the service. Other than that, this is the main. Other than that, you can watch the other videos that have pros and cons, blah blah blah, right? Whatever. But this is basically just talking about the OK Presto feature and the recent change. I would say about 2 months ago. And hopefully they change it back. But let me know if you have an OwlCam and if you're having the same. If you don't like the change, just leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and tell me what you. If you don't have OwlCam, you can leave a comment anyway and tell me what you think. What makes more sense? I personally, it was split in the middle before, where 50 seconds before, 50 seconds after, approximately. I personally will have it where it's 25 seconds before and 5 seconds after. I mean, if you ask me, because once you say OK Presto, that's it. It already happened. But you know, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, take care.